let's talk about the cornerstone of effective decision-making, which is reporting. Specifically, how Power BI can revolutionize your reporting processes and how McCoy Manila can make it happen seamlessly. Firstly, flexibility. With Power BI, your data becomes dynamic, easily adaptable to evolving business needs. Whether it's sales figures, marketing trends, or operational insights, Power BI empowers you to visualize and analyze data in real time, ensuring you're always ahead of the curve. But what about costs? Here's the beauty. Power BI offers a cost-effective solution. Say goodbye to hefty investments in traditional reporting tools and time-consuming manual processes. With Power BI, you harness the power of cloud-based analytics without breaking the bank. And that's where McCoy Manila steps in. We're not just offering a product, we're delivering a promise. Our team of experts ensures seamless integration, personalized support, and best-fit solutions for your business landscape. So why wait? Embrace the flexibility and cost efficiency of Power BI with McCoy Manila by your side. Let's elevate your reporting game together.